Sri Gurubhyo Namaha children, welcome to our online teaching academy Ekalaiva. Today we are going to see 7th standard matriculation maths. The topic is lines and angles, exercise 10.1. Before going to the exercise, I am going to recall some basic concept. Okay? Can you identify the figure, children? What is this? What is this, children? What is this? This is point. Point. Okay. And what is this? What is this, children? This is a ray. Okay. Because it has the starting point. Okay. And there is no ending point. Only it has the starting point. So we call it as ray. Okay. And what is this? See here, a starting point is there, ending point is there. Okay, what is this? This is line segment. See here, there is no starting and ending point. Okay, it will extend in both the directions. It will extend both the directions. So what is the name, children? This is line. Okay, and the next, what is this, children? This is angle. Okay, an angle is formed when two rays, just I am naming it OA, OB. OA is a ray and OB is a ray. So this is ray 1 and this is ray 2nd. Okay, an angle is formed when two rays or line segment meet at a common vertex, common point. Common point. Okay, an angle is formed when two rays or two line segments meet at a common point. Okay, this is called it as angle. Okay. And what is adjacent angle, children? Adjacent angles. What is adjacent angle? See, look, see the figure. Through the figure I will explain. See here, two angles are adjacent if they have a common arm. Here OB is the common arm. Common arm. Okay. If two angles are adjacent, if they have a common arm and common vertex, this is common vertex. And non-common arms are on either side of the common arm. So OA, ray OA and OC are non-common arms. What is adjacent angle? Two angles are adjacent if they have a common arm, common vertex, and their non-common arms are on either side of the common arm. Okay, children? Next one, complementary angles. What is complementary angle, children? Two angles are complementary. Two angles are complementary if the sum of their measure is 90 degree. See the example. And this is 30 degree and this one is 60 degree. Okay. Two angles are complementary if the sum of their measure is 90 degree. Okay, when we add these two angles, what we will get, children? 60 degree plus 30 degree. What you are getting? 90 degree. So these two angles are called complementary angles. Is it clear, children? When we add these two angles, if you get 90 degree, so this type of angles is called complementary angles. Next, supplementary angles. Supplementary angles. Two angles are supplementary. Two angles are supplementary if the sum of their measure is 90 degree. Sorry, 180 degree. Sum of their measure is 180 degree. Okay. Two angles are supplementary if the sum of their measure is 180 degree. Okay. Listen here. Okay. And here one more angles are there. This is 60 degree. Okay. Now you should add this. What you are getting, children? 60 plus 120 degree. When we add this, what you are getting? 180 degree. So these two angles are called supplementary angles. Okay. So when we add these two angles, if you get 180 degree, that type of angles is called supplementary angles. When we add the angles, if you are getting 90 degree, that angle is called complementary angles. Okay. And next one is linear pair. Linear pair. Two adjacent supplementary angles are called a linear pair. What is linear pair, children? Two adjacent supplementary angles are called a linear pair. See, look at this example. (45° and this one is 135°. When we add these two angles, look at here, 135 plus 45. What you are getting, children? 180 degree. So these two are called linear pair. Okay. So two adjacent angles, 135 and 45 are adjacent. So two adjacent supplementary angles are called linear pair. Is it clear, children? See the exercise sums. Third one, find the measures of the angles in the following figures. So we need to measure this. Look at here. The first one, 4x plus 20 and another angle is x. Here two angles are there. What is this, children? This is straight line. Okay, the ray is passing through this straight line. So here we are going to use the concept of linear pair. Okay. So what is linear pair, children? Two adjacent supplementary angles are called a linear pair. Okay. So when we add these two angles, this value is equal to 180 degree. So 4x plus 20, the one angle. So another angle is x equal to 180 degree because of linear pair. So we have to write the reason this side. Okay. Now look at here, 4x, 1x. When we add this, what you will get, children? 4x plus x, what you will get? 5x. So 5x plus 20 equal to 180 degree. Okay. So 5x equal to 180. The plus 20 will change other side minus 20 degree. Okay. So 5x equal to 160 degree. So x equal to 160 by 5. Divide this. 5 ones are 5. 5 threes are 15. Remaining 1 0 here 10. 2 5s are 10. So x equal to 32 degree. Okay. So x value 32 degree. Okay. Find the measure of the angles. And next we need to know that 4x plus 20 how much? The one angle is 32 degree. The another angle 4x plus 20 equal to 4 into 32 plus 20. Okay. So 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12 plus 20. So another angle is 148 degree. Okay. So one angle is 32 degree, another angle is 148 degree. Is it clear, children? See the next one. 2y and y minus 10, y plus 30. See here, so straight line. Okay. So add this all the angles 2y plus y minus 10 plus y plus 30. The ray is passing through the straight line. So here we are going to apply the concept of linear pair. When we add all the angles, what you will get, children? 180 degree because of linear pair. Okay. Now you add this 2y, y. So 2y plus y, 3y, 3y plus y, 4y. 4y. Next, minus 10 plus 30. So sign are different, so we need to subtract. Okay. So 30 minus 10, what you will get? 20 plus 20 equal to 180 degree. So 4y equal to 180 minus 20. Because additions will change other side, subtraction. So 4y equal to 160 degree. Y equal to 160 by 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 4s are 16. 0. So y equal to 40 degree. And find out the remaining angles. Here 2y is there. Okay. So 2y equal to 2 into 40 degree. So what you will get, children? 80 degree. And next one is y minus 10. So y minus 10 equal to 40 minus 10 will get 30 degree. And next angle is y plus 30. Y plus 30 equal to, what is the y value, children? 40 degree. So 40 plus 30 equal to 70 degree. So what are the angles here? 80 degree, 30 degree and 70 degree. Do you understand, children? The next sum, fourth one, write the supplements of the following angles. What is supplementary angle, children? I already explained to you. Two angles are supplementary if their sum of their measure is 180 degree. Okay. So when we add this, we will get 180 degree. See here one angle is given, we need to find out the another angle. Okay. So the supplement of 14 degree is, how you want to find, children? Just you have to subtract this 180 minus 14. You subtract 14 from 180. So what you will get, children? 180 minus 14. Okay. 7, it becomes 10. 10 minus 4, 6. 7 minus 1, 6, 1. So what is the angle? 166 degree. Okay. So the supplement of 14 degree is 166 degree. Is it clear, children? The next one, A plus B degree is given. Okay. So, we need to find out the supplementary angle. So, the supplement of A plus B equal to 180 minus A plus B. Okay. So, 180 minus into plus. Okay. So, minus A minus into plus minus B. So, this is the angle. Okay. So, the supplement of A plus B degree is 180 minus A minus B degree. Okay. Is it clear, children? See the next one. Write the complements. Write the complements of the following angle. So, complements means 90 degree. When we add the angles, we will get 90 degree. Okay. So, the complement of 54 degree equal to, here complement means 90 degree. Okay. So, 90 minus 54 you want to do. Here supplementary is given, so we subtracted from 180. Here complement is mentioned, so we need to subtract from 90 degree. Okay. So, 90 minus 54. Now, subtract this 90 minus 54. So, 8, it becomes 10. 10 minus 4, 6. 8 minus 5, 3. 36 degree. So, when we subtract this, what you are getting? 36 degree. Okay. So, the complement of 54 degree is 36 degree. Okay. See the next one. Here 3m degree is given. So, we need to find out the complement. So, the complement of 3m degree equal to 90 minus 3m degree. Okay. So, this is the answer. The complement of 3m degree is 90 minus 3m degree. Is it clear, children? The next one, two supplementary angles differ means different. Okay, differ by 34 degree. So, find the measures of the angles. Here supplementary angles. Okay. So, what is supplementary angle, children? The sum of their measure is 180 degree. Okay. When we add the angles, we will get 180 degree. That angles is called supplementary. Okay. Here the difference is given. Okay. But we doesn't know that two angles. Okay. See here, let us take, let the first angle be A. The second angle be 180 minus A, because supplementary angle they told. If it is given one angle, how do you find the second angle? You will subtract from 180. So, the first angle is A. The second angle is 180 minus A. Because when we add these two angles, we will get 180 degree. Okay. So, now what condition is given? According to the condition, the difference is 34 degree. Okay. So, A minus 180 minus A equal to 34 degree. When we subtract this, what we are getting? 34 degree. Okay. So, A minus, here plus is there. So, minus into 180 minus 180 and minus into minus plus A equal to 34 degree. Okay. So, A plus A, what you will get, children? 2A. Okay. So, 2A minus 180 equal to 34 degree. Okay. So, 2A equal to 34 and the minus 180 will change plus 180. So 2a equal to, you add this 0 plus 4, 4, 8 plus 3, 11, 1 remaining 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 214 degree. So a equal to 214 by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, here 0 we can't divide, so 14, 7 2s are 14. So a equal to 107 degree. Okay, so a is represent the first angle. And what is the second angle, children? So second angle equal to 180 minus a. So 180 minus 107. Okay, so now subtract this. 10 minus 7, 3, 7, 1 minus 1, 0. So 73 degree. Okay, the first angle is 107 degree. The second angle is 73 degree. Is it clear, children? See the next one. An angle is 5 times the measure of its complement. Here complementary angle is given here. Find the measures of the angles. Okay. So let us take, let the first angle be A, the second angle be (90 minus A) because complementary angle is given. Okay. So and what condition is given? According to the condition, an angle is 5 times the measure of its complement. So let the first angle is equal to 5 times the second angle. So 90 minus A. Now multiply this, 5 into 90, 450. Then 5 into A minus 5A. A equal to 450 minus 5A. Just bring it that side. A plus 5A equal to 450. Okay. A plus 5A, 6A. 6A equal to 450. A equal to 450 by 6. Okay. 6 ones are 6. 6 sevens are 42. Remaining 3, 30. In 30, 5 times. So A equal to 75 degree. A equal to 75 degree. Next, the second angle equal to 90 minus A. 90 minus A. Substitute here 90 minus 75 degree. So what you will get, children? 15 degree. Okay. So let the angles are 75 degree and 15 degree. Do you understand, children? Next one, 8th one. Two supplementary angles are in the ratio. Here angles is not given, the ratio is given. Okay. Find the measures of the angles. Let us consider, let the two supplementary angles are 4x, because here ratio is given. Okay. So 4x and 5x. So when we add this angle, what you will get, children? 180 degree. So 4x plus 5x equal to 180 degree. Okay. 4x plus 5x, what you will get? 9x equal to 180 degree. X equal to 180 by 9. 9 ones are 9 twos are 0. So x equal to 20 degree. Now find the angles. Here the two angles are 4x and 5x. So 4x equal to 4 into 20. So what you will get, children? 4 into 20, 80 degree. And next angle is 5x. 5x equal to 5 into 20, get 100 degree. When you multiply this, what you will get? 100 degree. Therefore, two supplementary angles are angles of 80 degree and 100 degree. Is it clear, children? To receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you, children.